Hi guys, today we are going to understand what is polarity. So, where do we study the polarity? I don't know. I think you have heard these words before, like action potential, resting membrane potential, threshold potential. This all the topic which we study under the medical science. Okay. So to understand these topics, first, you should know about the hyperpolarization, depolarization, the repolarization. And to understand these three terms, you should know about the polarity. You should have the basic idea about the polarity. Okay. So, what is polarity? If I'll ask you, what is polarity? So, what will be the first thought will come into your mind? If you will ask me what is polarity, the first thing which comes into my mind is something related to the pole, something related to two poles. Two poles may have showing two different properties. Okay, so let's understand it better way. Consider these are the two poles. Right now, these are not my hand. These are the two poles. Okay, this pole is having negative charge. This pole is also having negative charge. Means they are showing the same property. Okay, means I can say there are not any two poles. They are just single pole. Means I can combine them. Okay, I can combine them. Means I can say there is no any difference in property. They are showing same property, means there is no any two poles. But what if I start adding positive charge over here? Means now there is a two poles, two charges. Two charges mean two different property. Two different property, now they will repel each other. Okay, now they will show the contrast. Okay, means just because of there is a two charges, negative and positive, they will start to create a difference. Means every charge will have his own property. Means negative charge will have its own property, and the positive charge will have his own property. Okay, means they started to create the difference in property. Okay, they made a distance between them. So means I can say there is a creation of two poles. Okay, so the what is happening, the two poles means not, these are not the actual poles, these are the hypothetical term we use to emphasize that they are the two opposite property. There is no any actual pole. This is the hypothetical term. Okay, so just keep in mind whenever I'll say the two poles mean 2 point showing two opposite property. Okay, so what if I will ask you, or if I'll say I want to increase the polarity? So what I have to do to increase the polarity? Means what is happening? I am creating polarity by adding opposite charges. So if I want to increase the polarity, means I have to increase, or I can say I have to add extra charges. Okay, over the two poles. Means this is negative and this is positive. Okay, this is having negative, this is having positive. If I'll start adding negative over here, if I'll start adding positive over here, so what's gonna happen? Due to the high numbers of negative charge on this pole, high numbers of positive charge over this pole will show the larger contrast. Means it will show the huge amount of opposition. Okay, means they are showing the opposition in their property. Means they are creating the stronger poles. Okay, so in this way we can increase the polarity by adding two opposite charges. So this is known as hyperpolarization. Means hyperpolarization, it is the process of increasing the polarity. Means we are increasing the number of charges over 2 points, by which we are increasing the opposition in property. Okay, so that in this way we can create the high polarity. So what is the depolarization? Depolarization will be the just opposite of that hyperpolarization. Okay, means in hyperpolarization we were adding two opposite charges. In depolarization we will withdraw. Okay, we will withdraw the opposite charges. So this will cause, or I can say it will minimize the contrast of two opposite things. Means Now this poles and then this pole is having negative charge, this pole is having negative charge. If I start to withdraw the charges from the both the pulses, what's going to happen? They will start to decrease to show their property. Okay, so this is the depolarization. So what is the repolarization? Repolarization means, right now I will not add any charges, or I will not withdraw any charges. Repolarization means I'll just add the specific amount of charge to gain its normal polarity. Means I'm not increasing the polarity, I'm not decreasing the polarity, I'm just giving its polarity. Okay, that is repolarizing, means I'm the polarizing it back. Okay, so that is depolarization, and that is the repolarization. Now recap it. Okay, hyperpolarization means negative positive. By increasing the more charges, I can increase the polarity. Depolarization, negative positive. By withdrawing the charges, I can decrease the polarity. In repolarization, I am giving some extra. Okay, I am giving some, or I can say I am adding some extra, or I am withdrawing some extra charges over the poles, so it will go back to its normal value of polarity. Means I'm not increasing or decreasing, I am just giving its polarity value. So that is hyperpolarization, depolarization, and repolarization. Now I think you have understood it very well, what is hyperpolarization, repolarization, and depolarization. Okay, so what I want to fit in your mind by explaining all this term is that this term is going to we will going to study these terms in these concepts of action potential, resting membrane potential, and threshold potential. So now we know these three words, so it will be easier for us to understand that action potential, membrane potential, and the threshold potential. So in this video I am not going to explain you about that action potential and all. I'll just give you some basic idea about what is the action potential, what is the resting membrane potential, what is the threshold potential. Okay, so let's start with the resting membrane potential. Okay, so what is the resting membrane potential? So resting membrane potential, it is a potential at which the cell of your body is at rest. Means the cell of your body is not showing any activity, the cell is at rest. Okay, that is the resting membrane potential. Okay, and what is the threshold potential? Threshold potential means it is the potential at which your cell bodies start. I'm emphasizing this word, guys, start. Threshold potential is, it is the potential at which your cell bodies start to show its function, or I can say its activity. Okay, so what is action potential? Action potential is, it is the potential at which your cell show its activity. Not start, it started previously at threshold potential, but in action potential it is the potential at which your body show some activity, your cell body show some activity. Okay, this is not the exact definition or exact explanation. I've told you in a local term. Okay, I've explained you in local term that it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, so now you know the basic idea about the hyperpolarization, repolarization, depolarization, and you also know about the exact I think I can say the basic idea of the action potential, resting membrane potential, and the graded potential. Okay, so in future if I'll explain you about the action potential and the resting membrane potential and the threshold potential, it will be easier for you to understand this concept. Okay, so this is all about the polarity, hyperpolarization, depolarization, the repolarization. Just let's recap it. Okay, so what I said, polarity. Polarity means not actual two poles, it's a hypothetical term. The two poles means it's showing two opposite property. Okay, so polarity means two opposite property at two different point. Okay, so hyperpolarization. If I want to increase the polarity, if I want to increase the polarity, I have to add charges. Okay, means it will show the more contrast, it will show the more opposition in your property. Okay, so means hyperpolarization means increasing the polarity, depolarization means decreasing the polarity. And what is the repolarization means? It just giving or extracting the charges to give back its normal polarity value. Okay, so that's it, repolarization. And what is the active? What is the resting membrane potential? Resting membrane potential, it is the potential it is the potential at which your body doesn't, or I can say your body don't show any activity. Your cell body is at rest. Okay, your cell body is at rest. And what is threshold? Threshold potential is the potential at which your cell body start to show its activity. And what is action potential? Action potential, it is the potential at which your cell body show its function. So that is all about the polarity. I hope you will like it, guys, and I think you have understood it very well. So it will be easier for you to understand the concept of action potential and all. So this was all about the polarity. Thank you, guys.